Hello, everybody. My name's Rick McCutcheon. I'm a Dynamics 365 MVP, and I'm here with Mark Oleson from ClickLearn to talk about their new partner program. Mark, introduce yourself. Tell us about ClickLearn and tell us about the new partner program.
Hello, Rick. Thank you very much. So as you mentioned, my name is Mark Oleson. I am the Partner Channel Manager here in ClickLearn. I have been working with the Microsoft ecosystem more or less for the last decade almost. I've always been working with the partner model, so I'm used to working in the partner industry of helping and supporting partners by reselling third-party products, and of course to support their customer in the Microsoft platform's investments.
So tell us a little bit about ClickLearn. Like a lot of our listeners know about ClickLearn, but I'm sure there's still some out there who haven't seen this amazing product.
Of course. So ClickLearn is the market-leading e-learning system for the Microsoft ecosystem. ClickLearn create, maintain, and consume all your learning materials in the Microsoft ecosystem. We deliver user adoptions across all Microsoft applications, so we are able to support any Microsoft partners, not only in the dynamic system, where maybe you and I have been used to working, but we also support partners in Power Platforms, Microsoft 365, Microsoft Teams, etc. We really believe in the full partner channel and having an e-learning and a user adoption solution that can work across all these applications.
So what I find really cool about ClickLearn is, someone can build out their application and record it through ClickLearn and build out, all the different materials in 15, 16 different languages?
Correct. So yes, we support all the languages that Microsoft support as well. And we also have more than 140 digital voices to pick between. So not only is it the language, but it's also video narrations of all your learning material.
And for the end user customers that I've talked to about this, it saves them, pretty much hundreds of hours when they're building these materials or when they're trying to update these materials. So the product's good. There's been a lot of excitement, at the trade shows, at the user group events about your product. And, I've been talking to your team for quite a while now about the partner program. And you're just coming out with a new partner program, which I think is a great idea. And it's going to open up the market, to a lot of different partners who don't really have a learning practice, but still want to be able to provide some services for their customers.
That is correct. So what we're coming out with, it's a tailor-based model, so that partners can go out and deliver e-learning user adoption for each of their customers. And we are actually helping them not only to actually build a user adoption practice, but also supporting them in reselling ClickLearn. So you can now go out for each of your customer. The customer can purchase ClickLearn, and you can then support the customer and work on top of their licenses to produce all the learning materials for them. If we're talking specifically what we offer, it's a feature-based solution. So you can go from a super easy documentations and video up to a really fully LMS SCORM compliant user adoption system.
So I know in the coming weeks, you're going to have some different training programs and an online academy coming up. And that's exciting news, because I think once partners get trained on this, this is really an area that a lot of them don't have a practice today. And sort of training, learning materials, support materials were always kind of an afterthought. Like if we look at a project plan, it would be one line at the bottom, training materials. And, when I look at the companies that are successful with their deployments, whether it's CRM, ERP, field service, they're well documented. People know what they're working with, and they have excellent training. So we'll be talking about those programs more in the coming weeks, but I'm very excited. How can people get involved now?
Of course, you can get involved from our website at the moment, so clicklearn.com. We will be having session, both you and I. You can contact us through LinkedIn. You can reach out to sales@clicklearn.com, contact us through the partner site. You can reach out to anybody in the organization, and we of course will be happy to take care of the what comes in and support you in any way in communications. We can support you also in any presentations and so forward.
Thanks, Mark. I'll put your contact details in the show notes, and it's going to be a great sort of program, and I'm looking forward to attending your academy. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rick.